guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, get ready with me because I have online class for today. So, let's start. So, mag-wake up muna tayo guys kasi kahit naman yung wake up. Uh, dapat kahit nasa bahay, ang wake up. Kaya maganda. Maganda pa rin. Sunscreen lang tayo for today's video kasi nandito na tayo sa bahay. Okay. Next is life. Kilay is life. Kilay is life. Ito naman ito kong brush. Nasaan na yung brush ko? Tara. Yung brush ko. Kilay is life. Wala akong salamin. Wala. Ah. Next is mascara. Dapat buhay yung mata natin dahil tapos na. Next is, ano na? Next, blush on. Ano may blush on tayo na eh. Yung blush on, eyeshadow palette. Pang kilay blush on, di ba? All in one. Bakit ba? Oh, pwede na yan. Di ba? As long as it's working, pwede na. Sa mga taong nagtitipid, konto. Kunto. Kunto. Yung nose, napadami. I'm gonna contour my face. Wala. Nagme-makeup ay mag-off cam lang naman sa online class. Ay gusto ko. Para is, sabi ni teacher na mag-on cam kayo, at least maganda. Ano ba naman? By the way, kaya nag-online class kami ngayon. Kasi our class got suspended again. Like, nag-extend siya for another 1 week because of the earthquake. last Tuesday, October, ano ba yun? Ano, araw yun? October, no, hindi October, September 30. So, kaya next week pa yung pasok namin face to face. Kaya this tayo sa online class. Stick na tayo dahil. Diba, nude? Lagyan natin ng magic. Eh, hindi ko to basta suot ito kasi kaya, sobrang pink niya. So, X natin siya, guys. Ah, mm, tapos na, update ko na lang kayo pag, like, mag-start na kami mag-online class. Bye! So, hi guys. My first class is already done, but I have mga 15 minutes before my second class will start. And but before my second class will start, like, sound trip muna ako sa Spotify. But my second class will last 2 hours. Oh my god. Ang haba. But yeah, bye. So, hi guys. So, my second class will start na now. But while waiting sa aming prof, kasi yung sir namin hindi pa pumasok. So, sound trip muna ako. Spotify is life. So, yeah. So, bye. So, nag-start na yung reporter. So, nakikinig na lang ako. um, I have 1 hour and 30 minutes left before this class will ended. So, medyo matagal talaga. But, I'm just listening to the reporters. So, the class is still ongoing, but I have a 1 hour left before before this class will end, and I'm hungry already because it's almost 7 and I didn't eat dinner yet. But let's see if this class will end earlier or on time. But I will update you guys. Bye for now. Bye. So the reporter tackle about maintenance and yeah, and their functions. So I'm just listening. So konting tiis na lang. Oh my god. 38 minutes left before this class will end. And so I'm so excited. Gusto ko nang humiga. Gusto ko nang humiga. Gusto ko nang kumain. It's already 6:52 in the evening. So my class will end at, at 7:30. So konting tiis na lang. Okay. Oh my god. My classmate is still reporting. Okay. Bye, bye, bye. So, early dismissal. So, 30 minutes early dismissal. Yes, yes, yes. Dapat 30 minutes. But, nilakaw na mo, sir. So, bye, sir! Thank you, sir, for the early dismissal, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.